Good evening, everybody. I am throwing together some of my chicken parmesan tonight, and I wanted to share that one with you. You know, when you've got kids and they're all going all different directions for sports and dance and what have you, you learn how to cut corners. We had 2 in soccer and 1 in tennis, and so we were always gone at practices, at matches and tournaments. And so you just have to learn how to cut some corners, but still want to eat good. Anyway, let's get started. I have a pot of water. Let me show that to you. I'm only making this for 2, so it's a small pot. And I put some salt in there and getting it warmed up for my angel hair pasta. And I have a casserole dish here. I have stoneware. If you are using glass or a metal pan, you need to spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. I've got a plate here that I am going to put some breadcrumbs in there. So let me get a spoon and put some breadcrumbs in here. And then I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese. Quite a bit of that. I like a lot of Parmesan. Gonna want some garlic salt. Yes, garlic salt, not powder. I'm going to also add some Italian seasoning. I normally buy breadcrumbs that have Italian seasoning in there. They cost a little bit more, so I was like, I'm just put it myself. Put as much as I want. And again, it's just to your liking. If you like a whole lot of that, you go right ahead. I've never used this before, but I saw it and it sounded good. I'm not going to put it in this, but I think I'm going to put it on my garlic toast in a minute. Anyway, so I'm going to stir all of this up real quick. And then I have taken my chicken breast over here. This one is not too thick. The next one, I'm going to have to cut it a little bit. I've already gotten all of that yucky stuff off of there. And I just take it and coat it really good in all of this yumminess. And then I'm going to lay it in my casserole dish. This one is not too bad either. This one better go to the middle since he's smaller. These other 2 are pretty good size. And they're still wet a little bit, so that helps that coating stick really good. And I don't shake a whole bunch of it off. Let's see what this other one looks like. Yeah, let's see. Oh, I can actually tear it. This chicken that I get is so tender. Get that? I was able to just kind of butterfly it with my fingers. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of this extra and sprinkle on top. And I have my oven going at 375. I have buttered some of that good artisanal bread. I love that stuff. Not for a sandwich. I like it thinner for a sandwich, but whenever I'm making a garlic toast or French toast in the morning for breakfast, this is the kind I like. It's a thicker, denser bread. But I am using this Weber garlic parmesan. Haven't tried it before. It sounded good and it smells really good, so we're trying that. Normally on my garlic toast, I will put garlic salt, Italian seasoning, and some Parmesan cheese. But this has all of that in there. already. So we're going to see how we like it. Just sprinkle some on there. I'll let you know if we don't like it. But I'm just going to go ahead and put this right here in my air fryer. That way it's ready to go after I am almost done, because that doesn't take very long to cook. So I'm going to clean up my mess and I'll be back. I wanted to hop back on here. I am needing to make some Italian dressing because I like to have a salad with this. So I just get one of my old jars. Save all your jars. These are awesome for keeping stuff in. And this one happens to be an old one from some spaghetti sauce, so it already has a Italian label. So I am going to pour in the contents of this one. This is a Tuscan Garden Italian dressing. You just put your ingredients in there. It says I need 3 tablespoons of water and a 1/4 cup of vinegar. So you put those in there, and then you shake it up really good. And then you add, I believe it said a 1/2 cup of oil, which I use olive oil. I guess you can use any other kind you want, but this is an Italian dish, so I'm going with olive oil. And I would get my big bottle out, but it is way back in the top of the pantry. So this is going to be easier. There we go. I have learned that it is a lot cheaper for me to just make this Italian dressing or even ranch dressing on my own. The bottles, they're always so big. We don't eat salads that much, even if we did. These are so cheap, you guys, and just that little bit of vinegar and oil. It's just way cheaper to do it that way. And I think it tastes fresher. Just shake it up real good. Looky there. Yum, yum, yum. So, that's ready. See you in a bit. Alright, our chicken is done. So, I have got the water over here that I put some salt in. I'm going to go ahead and get that going on high so it can start getting heated up. And then it is time to get this chicken out. That's what we have. Just a little crispy, crunchy on there. But now what I'm going to do, I didn't have very much left of this spaghetti sauce. You just use your favorite marinara or spaghetti sauce, whatever you like, on your chicken parmesan or on your spaghetti. I just take it and cover it real good with the sauce. I'm going to have to finish up with this other one. It is messy, isn't it? That is quite alright. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, first I'm going to get me a paper towel. Then I'm going to take some shredded mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to cover them pretty good with cheese. We like a lot of cheese. In case you didn't tell, and there is not much left in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use it all. I'm not putting that little small amount back in there. It's gonna be so cheesy. Alright, then I'm gonna put it back in the oven And I'm going to cook it for anywhere from, back up baby, it's hot, gently hot. I'm going to bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. I'll check it at 10. I just don't want that cheese to burn, start getting toasty. And as soon as this water gets hot enough, I'm going to throw my angel hair pasta in there, and then we'll start the bread. So hang on. We have boiling water. So get some angel hair pasta and drop it in there. The secret to keep it from sticking is you don't have to put any oil or anything in there. You just need to stir it up. Keep those pieces separated for about 30 seconds. And that lets the starches release and they won't stick to each other. Okay, 10 minutes went by and it's not quite as melted as I would like it to be. My noodles though, my pasta is done. So I'm gonna drain the noodles really quick. I'm gonna pour some sauce in here because I want it to be nice and hot. Mix that up. That way the noodles will be covered and coated in the sauce. So let's get a tiny bit more. I'm gonna cover it because you know spaghetti sauce likes to pop and go everywhere. And I've already turned on my air fryer with my toast in there. So that'll be going pretty quickly. So I'll be back in a second and we'll be ready to plate this up. Ooh, it is done. Look at that. All right, let's get some noodles out here. Angel hair pasta. I call it noodles. I guess it should be called pasta. But I put some of those on my plate. I take one of these big old chicken breasts. Did y'all see all that cheese? Put that on there. It's a toast. I've got my baby spinach out here. I'm gonna pour some of my salad dressing on it. There we go. It's very hot. Toast. Like garlic parmesan. That's good stuff. I will definitely do that again. All right. We're gonna go eat dinner. Y'all go make you some. Bye.